gerbėjai, po savaitės pertraukėlės sveikinuosi su jumis vėl. Mano vardas Evaldas ir šiandieną turime atnaujintą Audi A4, kitaip dar vadinamą P6. Vietos, kaip matot, iš vis nėra, kaip 3 klasės BMW, viskas tas pats. Kojų negaliu net pajudinti, kaip matot, prieki normaliai visi. Vien žodžiu gali, komforto nulis. Ką, bagaiš? Nu kaipgi čia be dujų įrangos, tipinė Lietuvio mašina. Šios vietos nėra, visiškai nėra. Pasižiūrėk. Ką tai skam? Fun to drive this car.
1-800 ballin' on these niggas, boy I'm rollin'. 1-800 ballin' on these niggas if you callin'. 1-800, ay, boy they got me started.
Traukos beletiek.
Ballin' on these niggas, bitch I'm on it. 1-800 ballin' on these niggas, bitch I'm rollin'.
Why so fast?
Ballin' on these niggas if you callin'. 1-800 ballin' on these niggas steady.
1.8 turbo.
Had to grab that arch, boy.
For years, the Audi A4 has been one of the best cars in its class. This compact sedan has been Audi's best seller since its introduction in 1995, because of its build quality, good performance and affordable pricing. Today we have the 1.8 turbo variant. The standard equipment list includes electronic stability software, dual zone climate control and 10-speaker stereo, as well as anti-lock brakes, dual front and side impact airbags. Unfortunately, our model is front-wheel drive with 5-speed manual, so we cannot comment on Audi's iconic Quattro system.
Boy, I'm rollin'. 1-800 ballin' on these niggas if you callin'. 1-800, ay, boy they got me started. 1-800 ballin' on these niggas, bitch I'm on it.
The power is produced by a turbocharged engine of 1.8 liter capacity. This power plant features double overhead camshaft valve gear, 4-cylinder layout, 5 valves per cylinder. It produces 161 horsepower. So that's it for this time. Write in the comment section your ideas, what we should improve. Click like button if you enjoy this series. Subscribe to my channel for more reviews and cool stuff. See you next time and thank you for watching.